If there is only one question that you should ask your customers, it's this. Here's what it is, how to use it, and what you can do to make it even better. So you've probably answered this question a million times. How likely is it that you would recommend our company to a friend or colleague? This is the question you need to ask to calculate your Net Promoter Score. And there are 3 reasons why the Net Promoter Score has become so popular. Firstly, it's been shown to link to business growth. Secondly, it's quick and easy to ask, to calculate and to understand. And thirdly, there are loads of freely available benchmarks out there, meaning you can find out if your score is good or bad relative to other companies like yours. Answers to the questions fall on a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 means you're not at all likely to recommend, and 10 means you're extremely likely to recommend. You calculate your Net Promoter Score simply by taking the percentage of people who scored you either 9 or 10, which are called your promoters, and subtracting the percentage of people who scored you 6 or below, which are called your detractors. And there you have it, the one score you'll ever need. However, the one problem with the Net Promoter Score is that it's not very actionable. You're going to get your score, but if it's bad, how do you make it better?
Now what?
It's therefore always worth adding one more question that will help you understand why people, especially your detractors, gave you the score that they did. That way you'll know what to do to improve your score, especially if you benchmark lower than average. A question like, how can we improve your experience? Or what was missing or disappointing in your experience with us? The question should be open-ended, meaning your customers can write whatever they want into the text. There are loads of survey platforms and form creation tools that you can use to find out your Net Promoter Score. 2 of the best free ones are Google Forms, which is quick and easy to use, and Typeform, which probably has the best user interface out there. You can find out how to use these by clicking on the link on your screen right now.